okay. We'll get to it.
Welcome to another Muddy River Mixology Monday, where we introduce a new Muddy River cocktail each and every week. We're here at Muddy River Distillery in Belmont, North Carolina, North Carolina's oldest legal rum distillery. I'm Justin. This is Robbie. Robbie, what kind of cocktail are we making today?
Well, Justin, today we're going to do a Basil Rum Hot Toddy.
We typically use basil rum for summer drinks.
We do. We make an excellent basil mojito, and our basil lemonade is phenomenal.
Absolutely.
But there was what do you call it? Frost on the windshield this morning.
There was frost on the windshield.
And I'm a little chilly, so I think it's time for a nice warm drink.
Absolutely. Let's do this.
All right. So we're going to do a warm basil rum hot toddy. And for that, we're going to start with some green tea. So Justin, if you'll steep those tea bags. So adding some hot water to the tea, we're then going to squeeze a 1/4 ounce of lemon into each glass. So for that, we're just going to kind of halfway squeeze this lemon here, and halfway the rest of the way squeeze this half a lemon here.
If you don't have a lemon squeezer on your bar cart, you should invest in one. You can use, a real lemon or whatever that stuff is, but an actual lemon makes a world of difference.
I agree. And if you're really strong, you can just manhandle it into
roll
the
it around
glass
first to really get it nice and juicy.
So we've added the lemon. Now we're going to do some fresh local honey. I don't know if fresh really matters, but local honey is very important. Some honey a day keeps the doctor away.
Did you hear that saying somewhere along the way?
Yeah, I think I just made it up.
Yeah. Local honey is supposed to be good, though, if you have allergies. It's supposed to help you out quite a bit, and it's just delicious.
So once we've added our local honey, Justin, if you don't mind, give us an ounce of basil rum, each of those.
Basil rum's delicious. Can't do a fancy pour like you've done in previous videos. If you guys haven't seen his fancy pour, go back and find that. That was the
Moscow Mule.
Mule, yeah. He's got a
Muddy Mule. All right, so that should be the gist of the drink. We've got our Basil Rum Hot Toddy. Cheers, sir.
Cheers, sir.
I'm gonna warm you up from the
Not
inside
cold anymore.
No, sir. Guys, if you like the video, subscribe for more. Cocktail list will be in the description below for making the drink at home. You can find our products in North Carolina liquor stores, South Carolina liquor stores, and also for sale at the distillery. For more information about Muddy River Distillery, go to muddyriverdistillery.com. And thanks for watching.
The Basil Rum, brand new announcement. Where's the Basil Rum going?
So, as of last Monday, our Basil Rum has been ordered by Quebec, Canada. So our first export will be this basil rum, partially because it's awesome, also because it's very unique. This is the only basil-infused rum on the market currently, so definitely check it out. If you have any ideas for other hot cocktails to get us through winter, please also comment in the description below. Thanks. I did it.
Comment in the description below.
Comment in the comment below. Say stuff wherever the social media lets you.
Oh, that's good.
Just be nice. Don't troll us on YouTube.
Just tell us we suck. That's cool. Whatever. Saying anything's better than nothing.
Why do we just have to watch videos of these two guys drinking in the distillery all day?
Wait a minute. It's Monday. I'm at work. He's drinking.